Hello and welcome back to my channel. I realized that I did not record an intro when making this video, but I just want to briefly come on here and let you know that I, am not vegan or vegetarian, but I'm going to be taking a break from eating meat. So that's why I'm coming to you today with a plant-based full day of eating. I'm just switching up a bit. I feel like I've been eating so much meat lately that I just want to give my body a break. And so here it is, my first full day of eating plant-based. I'm not sure how long I'll be eating like this, but definitely at least for the next 30 days. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this. Leave me a comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you enjoy the video. Here we got the first meal of the day. I got my banana oat blueberry pancakes and these two vegetarian, like meatless type sausages. I've never had this before, so I'll let you know how this tastes. But I'm hungry, so meal number one. Alright, that breakfast did not stand a chance. And coming from somebody who loves breakfast, especially bacon and sausage, that little vegan or vegetarian, whatever it was, sausage patty, it's not that bad. Like, I can get behind that. So now I'm going to take my vitamins for the day. And then my little pouch here. And I just pretty much have like some vitamin D, some B12, my multivitamin, my women's multivitamin, and magnesium, and just a few other things. So that's what I'm gonna take now. And then I will be back to show you what I'm having for meal number two.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
So look, it is time for meal two, and I realized I completely failed and I did not record me prepping this meal yesterday. So I already had some made for the next couple days, but I will include a link below for the recipe that I used. So this is just some jasmine rice with a chickpea stew, and it was like super simple to make. It's just chickpeas, canned tomatoes, tomato paste, some onions, garlic, and spinach. So I will include the recipe down below. So if you want to make this, just hit the link and you'll see the full instructions on how to make it. And then I just threw some avocado and stuff on top as well. So chickpea stew over jasmine rice, and this is meal number two.
Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes up, you don't have to hide it.
All right, I am back and we got meal number three on the way. But First, can we just talk about how I no longer look like somebody's little brother? No longer those little boy braids. Yes. Yes. All right, we are having tofu, broccoli, and avocado. Now, I've never had this tofu before from Trader Joe's. It's like pre-marinated sriracha tofu, and yeah, we're gonna see how she tastes.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better.
Wait, can we talk about this perfection? Ooh, look at that. Perfect.
Or would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I did.
All right, here we go. We got the broccoli, the avocado, and some tofu. Let's just go ahead and try this. It smells good, but I'm not sure how it tastes. I'm a big texture person, so yeah, let's try it. All right, let's see how this tastes. I burnt it a little bit, but I felt like it would taste better burnt, maybe. It's okay. I feel like the burnt part tastes better than the middle, which is still like kind of soft. So I feel like next time I'm gonna cook it a little bit slower because I kind of have to heat up high. So, or I'm gonna cut them a little bit thinner. Pretty much burn them. But not bad. I can eat this. I wonder if it because some ketchup. Is that like a crime? Is it okay to eat tofu and ketchup together? Some ketchup. All right, I got some organic ketchup. I'm gonna dip it in. Let me see. Little drop. It almost reminds me of a fish steak. All right, I can get behind this. All right, meal number 3 going down now, and then I'll be back to show you the last thing I'm having for the day. Meal number 4. All right. That was clearly good. I just slammed that meal. I'm gonna FaceTime my mom. Just slammed that meal. It was so good. So yes to the sriracha tofu.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light.
All right, so this is gonna be my last meal of the day, which is a protein shake. Then you saw I just had protein powder, some frozen strawberries, and I just threw some spinach in there just to get some extra veggies, and then unsweetened almond milk. So I'll be having this. And then also, I get these organic crunchy rice rollers, brown rice rollers. And I'm gonna have 2 of these because they're so good. So good. If you've never had these, have to try them. So good. So I need to take my vitamins for the evening. I take vitamins in the morning and at night. I have some like fish oil, some more digestive enzymes, and like a couple other things in here. So take my vitamins. But yes, that pretty much wraps up the video for today. My plant-based full day of eating. If you enjoyed this or you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know what I'm posting. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.